The world is watching Iran and tensions are exploding. You're watching Times XP. My name is Duriti Yatri. And across the country, protests against their supreme leader, Khamenei, are shaking Iran to its core. Streets are filled with anger, fear, defiance. Reports say that hundreds have died and thousands more are injured as security forces crack down violently here. But you know what? This is no longer just Iran's problem. Globally, nations are picking sides. The United States has issued repeated warnings to Tehran. Officials in Washington have hinted that military action could be on the table if the violence continues. Every move is being watched, every word is being analyzed here. Europe is acting too, but very cautiously. The European Union and United Kingdom, they are signaling new sanction against Iran, targeting human rights abuses. In fact, diplomats across capitals are scrambling, calling in Iran's envoys to demand answers. The message is clear: enough, stop the violence. And now enters Israel. Israel has entered this whole fray. Jerusalem has openly declared support for Iranian supporters, calling their moment historic. Officials say that this is a fight for freedom, a fight against the oppression. And in the meantime, Qatar and the United Nations, they are pleading for calm and de-escalation, warning that any misstep could trigger a larger conflict here. And then there is China, Russia, and now Turkey. These nations have drawn a firm line. They are backing Khamenei, framing the unrest as Iran's internal business. Moscow, Ankara, Beijing, they warn against foreign interference. Now Turkey's involvement here, it adds a new twist, showing that the crisis is now a chessboard for regional powers, with every piece moving carefully but significantly. And also, the stakes are higher than ever. This is no longer just about protests in Iran. The situation has become a global confrontation waiting to explode. Alliances are tested, Western powers are at odds with Iran's allies, military threats hang in the air. But you know what? Diplomats, they are working around the clock. The message from Iran's allies, it is blunt. Do not interfere, this is our internal matter. But the US, Israel and Europe, they are not backing down either. Their message is just as firm: stop the crackdown or face the consequences. The protests rage on, the world watches, and the move, the next one, could tip the balance. Well, could this escalate into a full-blown regional war? Could Tehran become the epicenter of a wider Middle East conflict? Every action, every statement, every strike of the keyboard matters now. Well, the crisis is no longer contained, it is global, it is tense, and it is heating faster than anybody ever expected. Iran is not just a story now, it is a power keg, and the world is holding its breath.